Most of us believe that boiled vegetables are the pinnacle of healthy eating, but science reveals a startling paradox hidden within that simple pot. Under the lens of biochemistry, your favorite greens can lose their life force. That vibrant green is a sign of health that can vanish before your eyes. As the heat intensifies, 70% of the vitamin K and calcium your bones need can escape into the very water you usually pour away. These essential micronutrients are highly water-soluble. When you boil your vegetables, you are essentially making a vitamin T and throwing the best part away. At the age of 60, this isn't just a minor kitchen waste. It is a critical factor that impacts bone aging and leaves your brain unprotected. We must rethink our relationship with the stove. Preparing food incorrectly can impact longevity, but today we will learn how to reclaim those nutrients. Look at the difference. One plate is a graveyard of vitamins, while the other is a living powerhouse of bioavailable minerals ready to support your body. To support bone health and maintain cognitive function, we need a smarter approach. We need to master the delicate science of high-performance preparation. Real health doesn't come from a bottle of pills. It comes from the synergy of minerals found in whole foods, prepared with precision and understanding. Your bones are dynamic tissues that require constant nourishment. For those over 60, maintaining density is the foundation of an active life. Join me as we explore the biochemical secrets of the kitchen. Let's transform your daily meals into a powerful defense against the passage of time. To understand why cooking matters, we must look deeper into the blood. Here, a silent dance between vitamin K2 and calcium determines your biological age. Vitamin K is more than just a factor in health. It acts as a master architect, directing traffic to ensure minerals go where they are needed. Think of vitamin K2 as the GPS for calcium. Without its guidance, calcium can wander through your body without a clear destination or purpose. When K2 is present, it supports proteins that lock calcium into the bone matrix. This process is what helps keep your skeleton strong as decades pass. Without enough vitamin K, calcium can take a detour. It can settle in your soft tissues and arteries, which may impact their flexibility over time. This factor is a major consideration for heart health. The goal is to keep calcium in your bones and out of your heart's vital pathways. But the benefits don't stop at your bones. Your brain relies on a form of vitamin K called phyloquinone to maintain its delicate neural connections. This nutrient helps support the fats that protect your brain cells. It ensures that the communication lines in your mind remain fast, sharp, and resilient. By optimizing your intake, you are not just feeding your body, you are supporting your cognitive longevity and ensuring your mind stays sharp. We must focus on bioavailability. It is not about how many pounds of vegetables you eat, but how much of their nutrition your body can actually absorb. True health is measured by the nutrients that reach your cells. Today, we will learn the techniques that unlock these treasures within every green leaf. However, there is a hidden obstacle in many favorite greens. Meet oxalic acid, the factor that can impact the absorption of your precious minerals. These crystals are oxalates. In the plant, they serve as a defense, but in the body, they can bind to calcium and impact its absorption. When oxalate meets calcium in your digestive tract, they form a bond that the body cannot easily break. Instead of nourishing you, they can cause challenges. Does this mean we should stop eating greens? Absolutely not. It means we must learn how to manage these factors before they enter our system. The secret lies in a technique called flash blanching. By exposing the leaves to a specific temperature briefly, we can help manage the oxalates. Heat acts as a key, unlocking the bond and allowing the unwanted acids to leach out into the water, while keeping the vitamins safely inside the plant. This simple process can help manage up to 80% of the harmful oxalates. It is the crucial step between a meal that challenges and one that heals. You can see the difference immediately. The texture becomes more palatable, and the nutritional profile becomes much more supportive for your health. Handling your food with this level of care is a form of self-respect. You are taking control of the chemistry that fuels your existence every day. Every leaf is a miracle of biological engineering. When we prepare them correctly, we honor complexity and reap the full rewards of nature's work. Don't let the fear of oxalates stop you from eating your greens. Knowledge is the antidote to fear, and correct preparation is the key to safety. Now, let's master the golden standard of cooking for longevity, the art of the perfect steam and the precision of the cold shock technique. Timing is everything. Never start with cold water. Wait until the steam is billowing steadily before you introduce your greens to the cooking environment. Spread them evenly to ensure consistent heat distribution. We want every single leaf to receive the same amount of thermal energy for uniform results. Close the lid tight. We are creating an environment where the steam can penetrate the tough cell walls without drowning the nutrients in water. Set your timer for exactly 3 minutes. In the world of molecular gastronomy, seconds are the difference between a superfood and a soggy disappointment. Inside the pot, the steam is gently breaking down the cellulose, making the vitamin K and calcium more accessible to your digestive system's enzymes. Look at that color. This intensity is the visual signal that the chlorophyll has been fixed and the vitamins are at their peak bioavailable state. But we cannot stop here. Residual heat will continue to cook the vegetables, destroying the very enzymes we worked so hard to preserve and activate. The ice bath is your most important tool. It provides an immediate thermal shock that halts the cooking process in its tracks instantly. Submerge them completely. This rapid cooling locks in the vitamins, the texture, and that beautiful, appetizing color that makes healthy eating a pleasure. This technique helps maintain the structure, keeping the vegetables crisp. For those over 60, texture is vital for maintaining a healthy appetite. We call this chlorophyll fixation. It is the secret of professional chefs and nutritional scientists to keep food looking and tasting its absolute best. By stopping the heat, we protect heat-sensitive proteins and enzymes that are crucial for your metabolic health and the absorption of essential minerals. Remember the mantra: high heat, short time, deep cold. This is the 3-step ritual that will transform your kitchen into a fountain of youth. This is the foundation of our protocol. But there is one final piece to the puzzle: the vehicle that delivers these nutrients to your blood. Even the most perfectly steamed vegetables can be wasted if your body can't absorb them. To unlock vitamin K, we must embrace the power of fats. Vitamin K is fat-soluble. This means it requires a lipid carrier to cross the intestinal barrier and enter your bloodstream where it can do its work. A quick sauté is not just for flavor, it is a biochemical necessity. The heat and the oil work together to coat every nutrient-dense fiber. Keep the movement fast. We are only looking for a brief marriage of the oil and the greens, enhancing the flavor without overcooking the delicate structures. The fat acts as a delivery truck. It surrounds the vitamin K molecules, protecting them through the stomach and delivering them directly to your system. Studies show that eating greens with a healthy fat can increase nutrient absorption by up to 300%. This is the efficiency your body deserves. By adding aromatics like garlic or ginger, you also include compounds that work in tandem with the vitamins to support your brain. If you eat your vegetables dry or boiled in water alone, you are leaving most of the health benefits on the plate. Don't waste your effort. Healthy fats from plants like olive oil, avocado, or nuts are your allies. They are the keys that unlock the pharmacy hidden within your garden. Forget the old fear of fats. When they come from high-quality vegetable sources, they are the essential fuel for your heart, your brain, and your bones. The flavor is the reward for your scientific precision. Healthy food should never be a chore. It should be a daily celebration of life and vitality. Now that we have the technique, let us look at how to integrate this into your life to ensure long-term success and lasting health. Mastering this protocol is the single most effective change you can make in your kitchen to manage the effects of aging over 60. Variety is your best defense. Each green vegetable offers a slightly different mineral profile, ensuring your body receives a full spectrum of nutrients. Kale is a king of vitamin K. Prepared with our steam and sauté method, it becomes a powerful support for your skeletal system and your mind. Bok choy provides highly absorbable calcium. By rotating your greens, you keep your palate excited and your nutrient levels optimized throughout the week. This isn't a diet, it's a lifestyle adjustment. It's about respecting the chemistry of your body as much as the flavors on your tongue. As we age, our margins for error become smaller. Every meal is an opportunity to reinforce our health or to let it slip away slowly. This single bite contains the architecture for a stronger spine and the protection for a clearer, more focused memory for years to come. Take the time to enjoy your food. Mindful eating improves digestion and allows your body to better signal when it has received the nutrients it needs. Consistency is where the magic happens. A week of this protocol is a start. A year of it is a total biological transformation. Never forget that your health is not determined by the raw ingredients alone, but by the wisdom you apply in your own kitchen. You have the power to influence your biological clock. You have the tools to protect your independence and keep your mind sharp and clear. Strong bones are the frame upon which a great life is built. Keep them nourished, keep them dense, and they will support you forever. And a sharp mind is the greatest treasure of aging. Support it with the phytonutrients found in every well-prepared green leaf you consume. I am Dr. Thomas Reed. Start your journey today. Change your kitchen habits, and you will truly change the course of your future health. This is the science of cooking. This is the art of living well. May your bones be strong and your mind be forever bright.